What's going on mga bossing? Alvin again, ang boy bukas toy box, and welcome to my channel. So this time we're going to unbox the Evolution Toys Goranger series. So this one is the second installment and I'm so excited to open it now. So here you go. At ito na nga siya. At dumating na siya, mainit-init pa mga bossing. So this is the Blue Rangers and the Yellow Rangers as we know in the Philippines, part of the Star Ranger. And in Japanese, this is the Kirangers and the Aorangers. So, let's go, my bossy. Let's unbox this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go, my bossing. Let's unbox this. Okay, so ito na sila mga bossing. Here you go. Nice and box art. Really cool. So yun yung mga accessories niya. So let's go inside. Let's take it out. Okay, and here's the manual. Okay, very basic. So you got those accessories, those bow and arrow. Okay, so pretty basic. Okay. And there you go. So you got the first layer and now the bottom layer. Okay, here we go. You got the weapons tray here. So we got the blue cape and the yellow cape, and gets a couple of birdies here for Kirangers a weapon. Okay, we got the YTC unit. We got the keys striker. This is the scissors, the paper, and the rack attachment. And we have the blue cherry here for our Rangers. And we got some cool bombs here. And with this one, we can attach it to the bow and arrow, or let's say the blue cherry for ultra blue cherry. Okay, here we go. We got a couple of set of hands here. So for the yellow, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So plus one set here, so 7 sets. For the blue rangers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 set of hands for Blue Ranger. So let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's start on the Blue Ranger. Let's see the articulation and details. So, yeah, as you know, these are all plastic, right? So, with the body, it's kind of like rubbery plastic. But on the helmet, it's quite like a PVC. Make it, like more shiny helmet, right? So, yeah, yung mga articulation niya, solid na solid. Yeah, there you go. Medyo marami-rami siyang movement or pose na you can do na kumbaga Goranger pose signature, right? Or any, basically lahat ng Sentai or ng Power Rangers, they have their own way of morphing, right? So, andun yung kanilang mga pose. My unique way to display their ability or their power. And that's really it's really cool. So, okay, and put the cape here. There you go. And of course, as you guys know, yung kanilang birdies, and put it here also. So, you can just take this one out. Ayun. This one also. Let's take it out. And put this birdies. So, this is the rocket booster. This make them fly, right? Or help them fly. Okay, so let's see on the yellow. So same, we just take this out and then we can put the birdies, right? But we're not going to do that. Already show it to you. Okay, use the detail of the boots and the belt, right? And the helmet, Star 3 or Kirangers or Yellow Ranger. However you want to call it. So yeah, so there you go. We got the cool stuff here. Just put this cape here. Okay, there you go, my bossing. We got the Aoranger and the Kiranger, the second installment for the Gorenger series ng Evolution Toys. Please don't forget to subscribe now and hit that notification bell icons. So if you like this video, also please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. At share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo, mga bossing. Please remember, this is not for me. This is for the toys. So there you go. So keep watching for the posts and some 360 videos that we gonna display these two cool action figures from Evolution Toys. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.